Christmas memories. I've been working so much lately. I can barely.
Hello guys and welcome back to episode 19 of Vlogmas. I feel that December has gone so fast. Today we have just been home and I just showered the dog. So she is clean for Christmas. And now we are going to pick up some parcels and we are also going to just do a little bit of shopping. And I tried on the new products that I got yesterday from Estee Lauder, and so far I really like them. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Marlene and I do videos and vlogs about luxury fashion, handbags and shoes. So if that's something you like, please consider subscribing to my channel and click the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. And let's go! So now we are back home and I can show you what we bought. So we bought some groceries and some snacks for the dog and something from Sarah. Sophie. Hello guys, so now it is some hours later and we had a long walk, and after that I came home and wrapped rest of the presents because now I'm done with it, so it feels very good to be done with all of them. And I also took a shower and did my hair and everything, so now I'm ready to just finish this vlog. But before that, I'm going to unbox something that I got yesterday. I did order something from Charlotte Tilbury, and the reason is because I'm empty of all of my favorites, both the concealer, almost the foundation, and also the setting spray, so therefore I needed to do a restock on those products. And while I was ordering, I thought that I could order some of the products that I haven't tried before, that I couldn't get in Sephora because they were always sold out, but now I finally grabbed them. So yeah, I got a lot of freebies. I think I will only shop Charlotte Tilbury from their website from now on because you get a lot of freebies. A flawless filter sample, and I also got a sample of the Magic Serum. I have tried it and I don't think I like it that much, but it is nice to have. And I also got a new one of the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. I feel it is something weird with my old one because I think it is something with it. I think it is humidity or something that has ruined the powder. So it's very weird looking. So therefore I ordered a new one, and this one is also refillable because the one that I had before was the old edition, so it wasn't supposed to be refillable. So therefore I ordered this one that you can refill. And I also got the shade 1 Fair, which is the one that I normally use. And we also have a mini lipstick, and I think this is the Pillow Talk. It is just a mini of the Pillow Talk. Very nice to have in your bag if you have a mini bag or if you don't want to bring the whole lipstick. Very cute. And we also have the setting spray. This is the only setting spray that I have used for many years now, so I think that no setting spray can beat this one. But a mini of the setting spray, that is very nice because then you can travel, for example, if you're going for just a weekend trip or if you are on the go and want setting spray in your bag. This is a perfect size. It is 15 milliliters. Very, very happy with that one. And we also have a sample of the Magic body cream, which I have always wanted to try because I have heard so many things about it. So yeah, this is 10 milliliters, which is a very good freebie. And I also got this cleanser mask, which is 15 milliliters. So here you can see. And as I said, I was running low on my concealer, so I had to restock it. But this time I got the shade 2, which is the one that I normally use, because when I was in Paris they only had shade number 1, which is a little bit lighter than this one. So now I got my actual shade. And we also got a new bottle of my favorite foundation. This is the Beautiful Skin foundation. And I use the shade 1 Neutral. So here is that one. And I also just had to get these two. This is the Contour Wand in the shade Fair to Medium. This is something that I tried to get in Paris, but they didn't have it. They only had the medium to dark. So now I finally got to try it. And I tried it today because I couldn't wait. And I have to say that I really like it. I think it is a very good contour. And also I really like the applicator. I also had to try the Glowgasm blush because, as you might know, I'm in a very blush mood. So this is the Peach Gasm. And yeah, so that was the things that I got from Charlotte Tilbury. I will leave everything below so you can check them out if you want to. Now I'm going to edit this vlog, and tomorrow I'm going for a lunch with a friend of mine and I'm going to deliver her gift. So I'm very excited for that. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you're not done watching yet, here is another video, and goodbye.